Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw something a little bit different, but I think it could lead into some fun videos in the future. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus the Gigantamax Charizard in a surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla versus Gigantamax Charizard, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners. I'm going to give my paper a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. So it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with our Gigantamax Charizard, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and what we want to do is just kind of draw a line. It's just going to go down with a curve, and then we're going to make a little curved line like this come back. Then we're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down and up for the eye. I'm going to kind of curve this line back a little bit. Then I'm going to make another little line here. And then I'm going to make another line that's just going to kind of curve back like this. Next I'm going to kind of bring this line up and then down. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to kind of curve this line up to here. And we're just going to kind of come down. Next, let's just bring this line back to here for kind of like the back of Charizard's spike. And then we'll go ahead, we'll do the other one here. We'll just kind of go up, down, and bring it back. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve this line up and down. I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to curve this around. I'm going to bring this line around here for the nose. And then back here, I'm going to bring this line down to here. And then right here, I'm going to bring this down and up. And then we're actually going to start up here. Let's go down and kind of bring this back up. Next, we're going to bring this over and up here for the jaw. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and over to here. I'm going to make a little curve, and then I'm going to bring this line down and then over to here. Next, right here, I'm going to make kind of like a little kind of pointed wiggly line for kind of like a flame pattern. Then I'm going to make a little line down here. And then we're going to make some flames up here. We're just going to make some kind of like pointed wavy lines like this, and then some pointed wavy lines like that. And then right here, I'm going to make some kind of more of those like pointed kind of flames right there. Now, over here, let's draw Godzilla. So we're going to kind of line up the eyes. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down. We're going to come back and down like this. Then we're going to go down and up. I'm going to bring two little lines back. And a couple little lines back here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here and down. Now I'm going to make a couple little curved lines here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down a little bit. I'm going to bring this line with a kind of broken line over to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. I'm going to curve a little line. And then we'll make kind of like a hook shape here. And we'll bring this down. Make another little line around here for the nose. Then we're going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and over to here. Then I'm going to bring this line over and we're going to curve this up. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up like this. And we're going to repeat that a few more times. Just kind of go down and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here, and I'm going to do that a couple more times. Then I'm going to add some spikes. I'm going to make a couple kind of like pointed spikes like this. And then I'm going to add a few little kind of detail lines in there. Then we're going to make a couple more little broken lines right here. And a little one up here. And one here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, when we open this up, we have two halves. We have our Gigantamax Charizard versus Godzilla. So let's start over here with Charizard. Let's begin by bringing this line down. And then we're going to come up and over to here. I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And we're going to connect it to here. Now I'm going to add some teeth. I'm going to make a little V shape here and one here. Then I'm going to put two back here. Then I'm going to do one here, and then a couple back here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, or it kind of goes up and down and back up like this. And then I'm going to bring this back here. Then we're going to make kind of like that flame coming out of here. So we're going to make a flame here. We're going to kind of wrap it around and bring it back to here. And then we want to connect it up here. Then I'm going to bring this line back to here. Now we want to make the fire coming out of his mouth. So we're going to make some kind of wiggly, kind of wavy fire, and then we're going to make it kind of like stop here, like so it can look like it's meeting Godzilla's blast. So we're going to bring that back. Next, I want to draw this line down for the other side of the mouth. And I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to bring this over to here for Godzilla's mouth. I'm going to bring this down and kind of curve it down here and then connect it. I want to make a line back here with a couple more little lines for the back of Godzilla's mouth. I want to add some teeth. I want to make some nice sharp pointed teeth in here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to put some nice sharp pointed teeth in Godzilla's mouth. I want to make some kind of pointed lines. We're going to make kind of like a zigzag line right here where Godzilla's atomic blast is meeting the fire here. And I'm going to make some more zigzags like this. Then I'm going to make a line down here. And I'm going to make a line down here. Then we're going to make some broken lines here. And some broken lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla versus the Gigantamax Charizard. So when we have it all folded up, they're giving each other a nice stare down, and then when we open it, they're using both of their blasts to try to defeat the other one. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.